Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well, I hope you are doing well and good. Myself Azad, and today I brought a small review video, or I would say a short video, of Mark and Victor Eau de Spice by Fragrance World, which you can see is a clone of Victor and Rolf Spicebomb. And let's unbox it and see if it's worth checking out. Nothing much fancy, simple box, made in UAE by Fragrance World. And let's see the bottle. Now that's the bottle of, yeah, I could see there are some scratches. Let's spray and test it out, the atomizer. Cool, decent atomizer.